The hoes gon' love this.
What's poppin' YouTube? It's your girl Kelly Sky. So basically today is a work day. Black Friday is coming up and I have a super big sale. The entire site will be $10 and under. And then the first 5 glow sprays to order will get our unreleased satin bonnets. Now I haven't showed these bonnets on Instagram or nothing, so I'm gonna give you a tiny sneak peek, but not too much. So for a reference, these were the bonnets I had dropped for one of my birthday collections, the money collection, and it has like the little, I don't know what you want to call these, not strings, like what do I call these, I don't know, but it has this thing so you know when you put your bonnet on you can tie it and it really secures the bonnet for the night. So I love this style type of bonnets. We have a black and it has little writing on it, y'all gonna see, and then we have pink and it got a little, I'm not showing y'all too much because you know you gotta build the hype up for these things, but they're really cute and I love them. So basically I have to make some lip gloss today. Okay, so I'm about to start making some lip gloss, you guys. The flavor I'm about to make is peach because I already made the mango flavor. So for the duo I'm gonna do mango and peach. I just feel like that's a cute combo. The current time is 2:38, so every time I check in I'm gonna tell you guys what time it is, and y'all see this pretty big smile, it's gonna go because I'm gonna be tired. Okay, all right y'all, so this is basically my little setup. It's not everything that I use, but it's most of the things I'm gonna use for this first gloss. So I got the oils and stuff in my gloss, I got my scissors, they're sanitized to cut the pipettes. I already said my oils, but my flavoring oils, my tubes, I put the cats in the tubes already. If you guys don't know the story behind a cat being in every lip gloss, go check the site out and scroll all the way down and you'll see the reason why. I got my bowls, my spoons, my gloves, wand tubes. I'm gonna make a limited, I don't know what I'm gonna do with those yet because I'm not bringing wand tubes back, but I have 3 left, so I'm gonna make something. And I have my I forgot, what are these things called? Syringes. You know, got my ring light and my little iPad because I gotta stay entertained. Alright, doing my little check-in. It's currently 3:28. I just finished making the peach lip gloss. This is how it turned out. I wanted it to be like orange, but like a kind of dark orange because I know like peaches have that like orange, red, yellowish kind of look. So I just got like this. I think it looks cute. Like if you look closely, like you probably won't be able to see it on the camera, but you can see like the little streaks of red. So that detail is important, period. I know this meal looks like really sad, it looks so dry, but I just got a little jelly bagel. I already took a huge chunk out of it. I got a cornbread muffin that my dad made and a little bit of coffee. I put mad ice in it so it could look like a lot, but it's actually like up to here. Y'all better come over here and get one of these. It's a chicken salad. It's currently like 7:20 now, and I made our cake batter. I made our, what is it called? I think it's the cheesecake duo. Yeah, so one lip gloss is cheesecake and the other one is cake batter. It doesn't feel like a long time that I've been making these because you know been getting up, doing little breaks, but like I said, it's tedious, like very tedious, especially with my cheesecake lip gloss. It has 2 parts, so I'm gonna put a picture on the screen or whatever, but it has 2 parts, so that takes a little time, just making sure everything is good, y'all. So yeah, I'm still working, been working ever since I officially got up out of my bed. I want to get on TikTok, but getting on TikTok live, ooh, some oil just flashed. That's why you gotta wear your bummy clothes when you're doing this. Getting on TikTok live is so stressful sometimes because it can get so boring. So I'm just putting on my oils and my lip gloss because you gotta make sure that your lip gloss is hydrating people's lips, but it also has to smell good. Caramel hasn't been in stock in a long time, so I know y'all really gonna like this duo. I'm gonna do caramel and coffee because I feel like, I mean, that just makes sense, like caramel and coffee. This bag is like extra lip gloss that like I made while making the duo. So hopefully I can, you know, get some of this gloss out tonight. I'll let you guys know how the live went. Everybody say what's up to my YouTube. Hey YouTube, hey YouTube, hey YouTube. So literally my tripod just broke. Y'all see this? So I had to do this the old-fashioned way. Get some pillows, stack y'all up, call it a day. The live was really successful. Like, it was so good. It was one point in time that I had like 800 people on my live, and I've never had that many people on my TikTok, like on my TikTok live ever. I was like, oh wow, like I guess it's Friday. People must have been really interested to see me, you know, making lip gloss on live. It was really, really cool. Anyway, so yeah, I'm on my little dinner break. Oh, did I tell you what time it is? Right now it's 9:35. So yeah, I don't know when's the last time we checked in, but it's 9:35. I'm gonna show y'all all the lip glosses that I made. Then I'm gonna start packing up because my back is hurting. Like, I'm done with lip gloss for today. I think I've done enough. So I'm gonna show you everything I made, and I'm really excited for this Black Friday. Like, it's 2:28, 2:29 now. I basically just had what, a 12-hour shift almost. Like, I'm tired. I may not look oldie tired, but I'm tired. You know you worked hard when it's a struggle for you to even want to get up to go to the shower. Okay, so I'm gonna name the glosses that's already on the site, and then I'm gonna name the glosses that I just made. So we have the Cotton Candy Lip Gloss Duo, the Banana Pineapple Duo, the Rainbow Sherbet, and the Chocolate Chip Duo, Tropical Punch Tutti Frutti. Then these are the glosses that I made that's gonna be in stock for Black Friday. Caramel and Coffee, Mango and Peach, Mint and Vanilla, and they're both gonna be clear because we haven't had like a clear lip gloss in stock in a minute. So I was like, let me just do it. Cheesecake and Cake Batter. Then I'm gonna have a light brown pigmented lip gloss, and the flavor is gonna be vanilla because I really wanted to do that, because with the lip combo, like when you outline your lips with like a dark brown and then you do that light kind of brown lip gloss, I really like how that looks. So I was like, let me make that lip gloss. Strawberry and lemonade, and then bubblegum and marshmallow. So that's a lot of flavors. Honestly, I finished off my whole tube of gloss, so I finished that off, which is great. I have new lashes coming. The lashes are gonna have like some green in it, so those will be here for Black Friday. First official Black Friday, and I'm just hoping that, you know, it goes good because I've been putting in the work. Like, for all my business owners, it's nights like these that y'all gonna be thinking about when you're like really on top. Like those nights that you was staying up for hours doing whatever you do, whether you doing nails, hair, photography, if you're editing, if you're whatever you're doing, if you're making designs for your clothes. Anyways, like, interrupting my motivational speech. Whatever you're doing, just know that the work that you're putting in is going to count one day. It's counting right now. You just don't really know it yet. Like, okay, so these are the orders that I got over the weekend. I'm sorry about the glare from my light, but yeah, these are the orders that I got over the weekend. And y'all see I got K Gloss. Don't mind my little dresser wallpaper, it's messed up, but I got K Gloss on my Google Home. I thought that this was so cool. Okay, hey y'all, I'm not gonna lie, it's mad days later, and I told you I was gonna be really like, oh gosh, I told you this was gonna be like a raw kind of video, and it's messy, you know what I'm saying? But for the most part, Black Friday, I'm ready for it. I'm prepared. Let me show you the lip gloss I made. Oh, and I don't have my light on. I was gonna turn this on for like better lighting, but it's 2:40 a.m. I'm tired. I don't feel for light being in my face right now. Y'all could see me, and if you can't see me, so this is the bag. It may not look like a lot, but it's a lot, and it's heavy. And I got my lashes, the green lashes I was telling you guys about. They took forever to come, but I got them. So now I just gotta put my label on them, and I gotta put the spoolies in the box. Other than that, everything is ready. I'm just gonna, if this little collar keeps popping up. Other than that, everything is really ready for Black Friday. I just gotta go through everything, count it up, and then like 3 days before Black Friday, I'm closing down a site, just so you know I could put the prices on it, the flyers, be Black Friday ready, and it's gonna open up. And yeah, so this is the thing that I was talking about, like, oh, that I'm gonna organize. So this is basically all the stuff that I like use for my lip gloss mostly. So I got my butterflies and stuff, and I just got them organized. So I have a lot of butterflies. Then I got my fruit and stuff. And if y'all want to like get this stuff for y'all business, check out my Amazon storefront. It's going to be in my description. So these is like my flavoring oils, because y'all know I have a whole bunch of flavors. Yeah, come on, hurry up, girl. Then this is my little stuff. This is not from Amazon. This is from Etsy or whatever. It's a lot of good stuff on Etsy too. So yeah, it looks real good. The video is over. I don't know, preparing for Black Friday, like, it's just not aesthetic. I think that's how you say it, aesthetic. I'm about to say aesthetic. Yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Like, this is really real. Like, this is really how I prepared for Black Friday. It was very messy, very chopped up. Hours of working, hours of sleeping, to be honest. That's why I'm up at 2 a.m. because I sleep during the whole day and then get everything done during the night. So I see you at Black Friday, period. Yeah.